My name is ASHRITha. I have joined Qspiders in the month of August 2024. Have decided to build my career in testing field. So I have choose Qspider is the best platform where I can learn the skills, and Qspiders gave the placement support for me. So they have conducted, I've learned manual, Java, Core Java, Selenium and SQL. So every day they used to conduct the mock for me, and even then when the interview is scheduled, even the groomings are conducted, which are very helpful for me to groom the topics what I have learned. So finally I got the job. So I'm very happy that Qspider is played a major role for getting my dream job. So really, it's the best platform for the learning testing skills. Thank you.